Assalamualaikum and very good day. Here I would like to share on various techniques and application of the modification in asphalt, which have solved the real problem. This video compiles a number of techniques related to the asphalt modification for online learning for the course of advanced road material. The evolution and improvement of the current products really significant for better road materials quality. It should be noted that the videos used are only for the purpose of education and the credit goes to the YouTube videos with the link provided in the slide for further reference. Okay, let's start with the first one. This product is the innovation of asphalt patching, where conventionally the hot mix asphalt is used for road patching, which involve a lot of tedious work compared to the cold patching method, which is cheaper, easier, and long-lasting. Let's watch the video.
AquaFault, the first eco-friendly, pre-mixed permanent repair material, goes down as easy as pour, water, tamp, and relax. Step 1. Remove all loose material from the area to be repaired and sweep it clean. In icy conditions, remove all ice from the area. Step 2. Pour AquaFault directly into the area to be patched. Unlike other patching products, AquaFault is free-flowing for ease in placement and leveling. Level off your AquaFault so that it sits roughly an inch above the surrounding area to account for compaction. Step 3. Saturate the AquaFault with water. AquaFault's proprietary eco-friendly binder reacts and hardens with only water. Unlike other patching products on the market that use petroleum-based solvents and harmful volatile organic compounds as binders, excess water will not damage the material. You cannot use too much. Step 4. Compact to a smooth finish with a hand tamper, vibratory plate, or roller. If the compacted material is below the level of the surrounding pavement, simply spread more AquaFault, pour more water, and recompact. It's as simple as that. Pour into the damaged area, saturate with water, and compact. And because AquaFault begins to harden right away, roadways can be open to traffic immediately.
Okay, next is the application of microseal or microsurfacing for maintenance works. It consists of the application of a mixture of water, asphalt emulsion, aggregate with very small crushed rock, and chemical additives to an existing asphalt concrete pavement surface. Polymer is commonly added to the asphalt emulsion to provide better mixture properties. A new microsurface provides excellent protection from the sun exposure and could extend pavement life, improve durability, and creates a new stable wearing course that is resistant to rutting and cracking. It also cost-effective, less expensive than a new asphalt overlay and fast drying time. Let's watch the videos. Next is the self-healing asphalt that was discovered by Delft University in Netherlands. This video demos a new type of porous asphalt made of simple material with an interesting feature. When it cracked, it can be healed back by induction heating. So it's known as self-healing asphalt. Let's watch the video.
And asphalt is a very nice material to drive on, but not always, especially not on these days as today, when it's raining a lot. Then you can have a lot of splash water in the asphalt. Also, asphalt can create a lot of noise. It's a noisy material. The solution for that is to make roads out of porous asphalt. A porous asphalt material that we use now in most of the highways in the Netherlands. It has pores and water can just drain through it. So all the rainwater will flow away to the side and you have a road easy to drive on. So no splash water anymore. Also the noise will disappear in these pores. Because it's very hollow, all the noise will disappear, so it's a very silent road. It also has disadvantages, of course. And the disadvantage of this road is that raveling can occur. What is raveling? You see that in this road, that the stones at the surface come off. But we have a solution. Here you see actually how the damage appears in this material. It's a porous asphalt, like I said, so you have only a small amount of binder between the stones. Due to weathering, due to UV light, due to oxidation, this binder, this bitumen, the glue between the aggregates is going to shrink. And if it shrinks, it gets micro cracks and it delaminates from the aggregates. And then if you drive over the road, you take out the aggregates, what we just saw here. To solve this problem, we thought of self-healing materials. If we can make this material self-healing, then probably we have a solution. So what we can do is use steel wool just to clean pans. And the steel wool we can cut in very small pieces. And these very small pieces we can mix to the bitumen. So then you have asphalt with very small pieces of steel wool in it. Then you need a machine like you see here that you can use for cooking. Induction machine. Induction can heat, especially steel, it's very good in that. Then what you do is you heat up the steel, you melt the bitumen, and the bitumen will flow into these micro cracks and the stones are again fixed to the surface. Today I use a microwave because I cannot take the big induction machine here on the stage, so microwave is a similar system. So I put the specimen in, which I'm now going to take out to see what happened. So this is the specimen coming out now. So I said we have such an industrial machine in the lab to heat up the specimens. We tested a lot of specimens there. So we took a lot of samples from this road and we tested them in the lab. So we did aging on the samples, did a lot of loading on it, healed them with our induction machine, and healed them and tested them again. Several times we can repeat that. So actually the conclusion from this research is that if we go on the road every 4 years with our healing machine, this is the big version we have made to go on the real road. If we go on the road every 4 years, we can double the service life of this road, which of course saves a lot of money. Well, to conclude, I can say that we made a material using steel fibers, addition of steel fibers, using induction energy to really increase the service life of the road. So I still have the specimen here. It's quite warm. We'll do a trial. Let's see. Yeah, it worked. Thank you.
Well, Interesting, right? Okay, next is another product which is an application of PMB, or we call it as polymer modified bitumen, where they add a certain portion of polymer and the bitumen for modification. So this product is used for soil stabilization.
Enhanced. One of our specialties here at Crossmoor Roads is stabilization. Stabilization is achieved by introducing our agent to improve the weight-bearing capacity of a road base or sublayer to meet engineering requirements. Traditional stabilization techniques include using cement or emulsion to achieve these goals, but those methods are expensive, cause disruption, and interrupt traffic. There is a better way. Polymer modified bitumen stabilizing material, or PMBSM, meets all the criteria of the stabilizing agents that came before, with the added benefit of being less expensive, easier to apply, and fast drying, meaning the roads are open to traffic almost immediately. How do we know? Because we've built hundreds and thousands of square meters of roads using PMBSM. Polymer increases soil elasticity, protects against the harmful effects of chemical compounds, inhibits the penetration of the rise of water within the soil, reduces erosion, and is non-reactive and environmentally friendly. Using PMBSM means more roads can be built with the same budget. Here's how it works. PMBSM can improve previously unusable local material to such a degree that there won't be a need to import outside material. First, we test the in-situ material because all soils are unique, possessing their own set of properties which collectively are termed road indicators. Then, the laboratories grade the soil ranging from G1, which is ideal, to G9, which is unsuitable. The addition of a site-specific PMBSM design based on these tests can raise a G9 material to G4 or better, saving time and saving money. The road surface is first ripped to a specific depth to prepare it for the application of PMBSM. But first, on site, on the day, testing is carried out. Our engineers can then make final modifications or adjustments required to the design. In addition, testing is carried out continuously with particular attention paid to the moisture content as the PMBSM is applied. Once our team is satisfied that the design is in order, the product is then introduced to the soil using carefully calibrated Crossmoor purpose-built advanced machinery. The product is mixed in the prepared roadbed by connecting the bulk PMBSM tanker onto the recycler, while the correct amount of water is added to achieve optimum moisture content. This method lessens our waste and allows us to be efficient in our application. Once the product has been properly mixed into the soil, the road is graded for runoff, compacted to required density, and swept. The road is then primed and ready for surface sealing. Depending on the traffic requirements, a perfect seal design is applied and the job is done.
Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.